Hey guys, it has been 50 days since the lockdown, and these 50 days we have been like nothing is certain. We don't know what's happening. Most of the times, there are just discussions about coronavirus, and honestly, at the start, I was also really scared.
I was a little sad.
I was a lot worried that how I'm going to manage my routine.
Plus, I was equally scared, worried, anxious as to what is going to happen.
I was also scared and little depressed.
But on the other hand, I had also a list of things which I had to do then but couldn't manage because of the time or however my routine had been scheduled. So I made sure that this is not a period of shutdown for you, and it is a period to become. It's more of a period of becoming. So I listed out the things, and many of the things which I wanted to do then were needing my self introspection, my self time, and my own self practice, where I couldn't do then much of it. Also, I needed to learn cooking and read, also create contents for the Instagram, and how I could create values in the lives of people by sharing the importance of yoga, health, and how to stay fit.
Instead of getting frustrated during these 50 days, you can actually utilize these 50 days to go back to something that you have always loved. I've always loved writing. I used to write when I used to travel. I used to jot down all my thoughts on a book, and then I used to transfer it to a fair page. But अब घर पे बैठे-बैठे हम ये सब कैसे लिखें? So I utilize my free time to come back to writing.
I'm a final year student of BCom. I've also been doing a part-time job since last 2 years, and as a hobby I make hand-woven bracelets. But due to academics, work engagements and other commitments, I cannot give much time to it, as making these bracelets require full-fledged hours of focused attention. It also happens that sometimes a particular pattern has 20, 25 or sometimes even 30 strings. This increases the chances of getting the bracelet, the pattern messed up, or sometimes the strings getting tangled with each other. Well, solving this mess has taught me how to be patient and deal with the situation more patiently.
That's when I decided that I would want to get in touch with the things that I had lost contact with. And one of them would be paying attention to my physical health. So, with the busy work schedule, like right before the lockdown, because of work, college, and all the traveling, I was kind of neglecting my physical health and not making time for it. And I was just using that as an excuse, to be honest. But with the lockdown, on the contrary, with the lockdown, I started prioritizing my health and organizing my day in that manner.
Hi guys, this is Shubham Bari, and since the lockdown started, I was wondering what am I going to do about it. So basically, I thought to myself, looking at the brighter side, why don't we convert the lockdown into content creation and productivity? I myself have been doing a lot of things, such as working with brands and collaborating with them. I've been doing a basic language course of Spanish, and I've started exercising, and I've also started doodling. So let's get into it.
But I knew one thing for sure, that I'm going to make the most out of it. I tried my best to create amazing content and create as many opportunities as I can in this lockdown. I've been doing latte art, that is drawing on top of milk foam, for quite some time now, but lately didn't get time out of the busy schedule. In this period, I decided to improve my latte art with more colors and more details. Let's make something.
So I used this time to complete my portfolio and customize my whole blog. And at the same point, I started learning some kitchen stuff. Like I used to only eat because मैं कभी गया नहीं किचन में, सिर्फ देखता था. एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग इनटू दिस किचन, बाद में पता चला कि हाउ हार्ड इट इज़ और कितना टाइम लगता है उसमें. सो फाइनली आई लर्न टू डू दिस रोटी with all help of my mom, so thanks to her.
I always found editing too technical or something I will never get a hang of. But here I am, totally loving the process and trying my hand to be better at it. Tell us in the comment section below how these hashtag 50 days of lockdown have impacted you. Have you learned something just like all these amazing creators? And if you want to check out their work, please see the description box below where I have given all the links to where they create the content. And until next time, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Girl with Girls.